All right, first grade. So yesterday we learned about what picture graphs are. That was 15.1. Today the lesson is 15.2. It's about using bar graphs. So we're going to compare how a bar graph is different from a picture graph. So let's take a look. How are bar graphs and picture graphs different? Now, we did this picture graph yesterday, or a graph that was similar to it, and we know that picture graphs show pictures of the topics they're talking about, of all the categories, right? Bar graph is different because they show bars with a number line at the bottom. So here's a bar graph. People voted for their favorite animal. So for elephant, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 people. You look at where the line stops and you go down. There's 4 people who voted elephant. Or you can just count the boxes. So how many people voted zebra? You can go all the way down the bar. Where does it stop? Which line? You go down, it goes to 8. So 8 people voted zebra. How about giraffe? You can either count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, or you go all the way, you look down and it says 6. Now, here is a bar graph showing people voting for their what? Favorite pet. How many students chose cat? Let's see, we'll go to cat, go all the way, go down, 7, right? So I'm going to put here, oops, let me go back. Okay. I'm going to put here 7 people, 7 students. Let's say 7 students. How many fewer students chose fish than dog? Anytime a question asks how many more or how many fewer, we compare the two things and we subtract. So how many people chose dog? It's filled up. There's 8. So 8 minus what? What are we comparing it with? Fish, right? So there's 4 fish. 8 minus 4 equals 4. So there were 4 fewer students who chose fish than dog. And you can even see it takes 1, 2, 3, 4 more fish to have the same number as dog. Which pet did 2 students choose? Which pet did 2 students choose? Let's see, this one's simple. It's bird. 1, 2. 2 people chose bird. How many students chose fish and bird? We have to join 2 parts together, so we're adding. So how many people chose fish? 4 people. How many people chose bird? 2 people. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. So 6 students chose fish and bird. Okay, very good. So let's look at this problem. Miss Sedja and Miss Ahmad asked their family what their favorite fruit was. This is what he found out, or this is what they found out. Now, here is a graph right here. 2 bananas, 5 apples, and 3 oranges. So I have the colors here and we have to stick them on the bar graph. Okay, so what color are bananas? They're yellow, right? So I'm going to take 1 banana here. That's 1. How many bananas are we supposed to put? 2. So that's 2 bananas. All right, apples. What color are, well, if orange is orange, then apple has to be red, right? So 5 people voted apple. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 people chose orange. 1, 2, and 3. Now, do you notice how this bar graph is going vertically? It's up and down. Some bar graphs are going to go horizontally, left to right, this way, and some bar graphs are going to go up and down. Okay, but it's still showing similar information. There's always numbers, and there's bars where you have to fill in with colors. Okay, so now you're able to do 15.2. It's about answering questions about bar graphs. So look at the graph, look at the pictures, count how many people voted for each category, and then you can complete the activity.